Hello and welcome to the ShipRight app tutorial series from KlinKode. You can hide, sort, or rename shipping methods using ShipRight. In this video, we will show how to hide shipping based on order weight in Shopify. Let's open the ShipRight app. Click the Create Rule button. You will see several combinations here. Use the search box to find your specific conditions and see which combination contains it. In this video, we'll use the total order weight condition. So first, we'll search for total order weight in the search bar and select it. Click Select Essential 1 combination or Select Essential 2 combination to continue. Now you'll see two product selection options. All products. If you select all products, this rule will apply to all products in the cart. Selected products. If you select selected products, the rule will trigger only when at least one of the selected products is in the cart. After selecting this option, you need to decide how to filter the products by products, product tags, or collections. Now we select Selected Products, and here we choose Collection and set Bare Collection. When the selected collections products are in the cart, this rule will be applied. For this example, we choose Less Than and enter 15 kilograms. Now, set a name for the rule. Finally, go to the Shipping Methods section and add the shipping method you want to hide. We will add free shipping, which should be hidden when the bare collection product is in the cart and its total weight is less than 15 kilograms. If the shipping method you want to hide is not in the list, you can add it manually. For example, DHL Express is not in my shipping list, so I will manually type DHL Express and click Add DHL Express to add it in the rule. Now click the Save button to apply your rule. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, free shipping is visible because the cart contains more than 15 kilograms of the bare collection products. Now let's remove some bare collection products and make less than 15 kilograms in the cart and check again. As you can see, the free shipping is hidden now. That's it. This is how you can hide shipping methods based on order weight. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the ShipRight app. Happy selling!